Welcome back guys to Carla's Kitchen. Cece, how you doing? I hope you all are doing fine. I'm happy to see you guys. I know you're happy to see me.
Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here.
Wow, look at that. Cow foot and bean. Looking so nice. First time in Carla's Kitchen CC. Check it out. And wait up for the full video soon. Wow, it smells so good. My aunt is here from London and this is her touch. This is her recipe. Wow, beautiful. At this delicious pot of cow foot and bean, guys, the meat is literally falling off the bone. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. My aunt about to taste the pot now, guys. Hear her, she's so funny. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Put God first in all you do. Walk good, be good, and good will surely follow you. Take care of yourselves and I'll catch you in another one. Bye guys.